Hello guys, today we are going to talk about drop-down list in Excel. First, what is drop-down list in Excel? Drop-down list in Excel is a tool used to restrict data input into a cell. It allows users to select a value from predefined list, making data entry quicker and also reduces risk of errors. Steps in creating drop-down list. The first step is you create a list of items you want to include in your drop-down. Like this one, the one I have created. That's the first step. You create a list of items you want to include in your drop-down. Then you go to the question where you want the list to appear. For example, in our drop-down list, this is where we want our drop-down list to appear. These are the cells. The third step is you select the cell. Then we select these cells, all the cells where we want our drop-down list to appear. The fourth step is we go to data in the data tab. Then we go to data validation, which is here, this sign. Then we select the list and then select list of range of your preferred list. So we go to data validation, this is what we will get. Then we will select the list. Then we select the range of our prepared list. This is our range of prepared list. We click the source. Then here is where we select. After that, then we click OK. So let's go into the practical part. That's the theory part. This is our data. We want to create a drop-down list here. As I've already said, the first step is to create. List, and this is our list we have already created. And then we select where our list to where we want our list to appear. This here is selected. Then we go to data. Then we go to data validation. Then we go to list. Then we click our source data and select our drop downs. Then we click OK. And our drop down list has been created. If you now click this side, you can see we have all the countries of our drop down list. You can see John is from USA, Mohammed is from Somalia, Vishnu is from India, Halima is from, let's say, Iran, then Anne is from, let's say, Kenya, then Ramos, let's say, is from Brazil, Habiba, Oman, Kerry, Russia, Najad, China, then lastly, which country I have not chosen? France. That's how our drop-down list was created. For a short list, you may skip the preparation and input the drop-down option directly in the same source box, separated by comma. Like this one, we want to put it yes or no. So we don't need to prepare our data. We can directly input it, the yes and no. We select where we want our drop-down list to appear. Then we go to the data validation. Then we go to list. Then we just directly write yes or no, separated by comma. Then we click OK. As you can see, our drop down list was created. You can say here no, you can say here no, yes, yes, no, no, yes. Perfect. Then if you want to restrict our data from person entering other thing other than the drop down, we can highlight. Then we go back to data validation. Then we go to input messages. We put title here. Let's say training participant. Then our input message will be use from drop down list. Use from drop down list. Then we click OK. So a person cannot use other thing other than the one in the drop down list. For example, this one. Let's say you write a tag, it will not accept. You see. Then we want to put error alert also. We can also put error alert. We highlight the. Then we go to data validation. We go to error alert. We can say we can use the style stop or warning or information. We can completely stop somebody from entering any other data. We can also give them warning. We can also provide them an extra information. Here, for example, let's give them stop title training participant. And error messages. Select only from the drop down list. So if you here, if you let's say we put others, it will not accept. Select only from the drop down list. So as you can see, how drop down list is very important. Next time, and also ensures accuracy and consistency. Thank you. Please, if this video is useful, you can subscribe my channel for more videos.